this is Hiril. Hope you all are doing great. So I'm making a keychain out of acetate fusible sheets from VR memory keepers using Fuse tool. Here I have taken template J from a cardstock, cut out from a cardstock, and I'm taking those fusible sheets and then I'm making a pocket out of it first. And then what I'm doing is I'm tracing out the letter J, outlines of the letter J. You can also do alternatively by cutting out the template from acetate sheet and not from a cardstock and just sewing the edges. But I find this more easy way of doing it by tracing the edges of the acetates. So follow the process along, and if you are inspired with this video and if you are making any keychain in this kind, then please don't forget to tag me and don't forget to share with me, and I'll reshare it in my story. Hope you enjoyed the video. Keep watching.